below zero. Here we are with Project ZOMBOID. And I believe that I have made a mistake. And when I was creating this game, I think I may have put myself into a challenge mode rather than survival. So we can go ahead and continue to try to survive. And I think the game mode I'm playing is whenever it reaches a day, after a day, oh jeez. After it reaches a day, a huge horde of zombies will come after me. So we are gonna try to find some weapons. I don't know exactly how long it's been. So I guess let's just find out and see how long we can survive. What do we have in here? We have a bunch of junk food in here. We're just gonna hoard up on all of these junk foods, because who wants to live only eating good deliciousness? I mean, you can eat bad deliciousness, if you know what I mean. What's in these things? Just nails? I mean, I guess I'll grab them all. Don't see the harm in that, because I think I can use them for doing stuff. Because, you know, I need to barricade if I'm having to fight off a horde of zombies. And this one did not want to die. Do we got some cash money we can steal from them? So what happens if we just like... Jeez, come on. We need some supplies if we want to take down some doors. Like if I want to disassemble stuff. So, and disassembling stuff will allow us to get like wood and stuff. And we can use that to make barricades, I think. Oop, windows open. It's really dark in here. Ooh, there we got what we need. We got a screwdriver, so now we need a hammer. I really would like a gun or some way of survival, because then, you know, I wouldn't have to worry about the whole death thing that comes with not living. This house has nothing in it. It literally has nothing in this house. Jeez. There's an upstairs though. Jeez, it's very dark. These are like apartments. Didn't even realize. I don't think I have any use of these. So I'm out. I'm going home. Can open. Thank you. This is like another fast food place, I believe. Or not a fast food. Another junk food place. Easiest of all. I say easy a lot. My bad. I'll try to stop that. What? No. Keep it open. Climb through. There we go. Let's see if we can make our way back home. Oh, zombies. I don't see why you can't get over the fence. Oh no, my knife broke. Okay, I'm out. So now I have to find another weapon. That's great. Can I smack things with a plank? That'd be nice. Come on, plank. Where are you? Equip primary. We're gonna smack some zombies with a plank. Why barricade when you can kill? Alright. I guess we're gonna check out the house right next to my house. Oh jeez. Jeez. I can't see anything. I know there's zombies around me. I'm out. Okay. Kill the zombies now. Kill the zombies now. Oh jeez. This is gonna result in my death. I can already tell. Got that guy. Jeez. Oh jeez. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Minor injury. This is not good. Why are they not dying? Come on. Die to the plank. Please. I don't want to die. I'm so bad at this game. I'm sorry, guys. 360. No scope. Oh. I just smashed it. Can these things die? Please. There. One of them's dead. Come on. Please. I will stomp your head in. Okay. I broke my window in the process. I still have the curtain, so they still can't see inside. I need to do something. Get the sweater. We need to rip. We need to apply the bandage. Bam. Okay, so that's that. We need to... Now we need to also find something to help me out. Do I have anything? I need to get something for my pain. There we go. We got some band-aids. All is good. So, I guess we don't have anything to heal ourselves. Or fix our bones. So I guess we'll just have to eat and be happy. Eat some fresh carrots. I'm gonna go take a nap, actually. The music that's playing makes me feel as if murder is about to happen. So I'm not looking forward to that. Okay, we're awake. It's a lot brighter. Wait, is there something down the hall? First aid kit. That's useful. Oh, I'm not in pain anymore. Wait, did I have anything else in here? Tissue. Okay, well, I don't need any of that stuff that's there. What does this music mean? I feel like I'm gonna die. I need a hammer is what I need. See if we can find a hammer somewhere out here. And if not, then I guess we'll just have to give up. Oh. We got an axe. We got a saw. We got some good stuff in here. Alright, well I guess we're just gonna have to make a run back to home base. Why does it have a bunch of books on the shelf? I don't know. Guess we got what we wanted though. Alright, so now I gotta find a place to put this stuff that I don't want to carry around at all times. This will hold some stuff. Let's see what we can craft with this. Oh, we can make a spiked plank. I have nails and a hammer. Let's try that. Let's make a spiked plank. Spiked plank. Craft 1. Okay, we're starting off with our first of our crafting. Uh-oh. There's a timer ticking down. I feel like this means death. Close the door, please. I don't want to die. Okay, door's closed. Let's go see if we can take down some stuff. That's my mission now. Okay. This is taking a little bit. Let's fast forward. 3 times fast forward. Alright, we did it. Unusable wood? What? Is there crafting we can do to make unusable wood usable? We need to make this why is it not usable? Let's see. I'm gonna go disassemble something else and see if we can make some usable wood. Disassemble this. Bam, we got a plank. Just gonna disassemble as much as we can. That's unusable wood. That's great. Oh, jeez. Guess I'm gonna beat him in the head with a hammer. Okay, that was easy. There's no purpose in disassembling this stuff. Oh, baseball bat. I like that. I want it. We can even disassemble that too. See what happens if we disassemble this. We get nails and a plank. Alright. We can go ahead and make our spiked bat so we can have 2 weapons. 2 good weapons. Spiked bat. Crafted. Is that all it took? Easy. I'm going to leave this here. We got some better weapons. Through crafting, we were able to disassemble some stuff so we can get more planks and even craft even more stuff. And I just transferred all that to the ground. Feels bad, man. Get it all back in here. But thanks for watching, guys. And I will see all you guys later.